So, what a ride Friday turned out to be. Markets danced around all day, but by the closing bell we had fresh record highs. Hey everyone, it's Saturday morning, June 28th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we begin, today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital. For smart investment solutions and high-quality funds, head over to amf-capital.de. If you enjoy the podcast, please rate it wherever you're listening and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. All right, let's get to it. The Standard & Poor's 500 hit a brand new all-time high, the first time since February, as investors cheered a trade truce between the US and China. The Nasdaq also climbed to a record close, while the Dow Jones added about 400 points, or 1%. But, yeah, not everything was smooth sailing. Stocks dipped midday after President Trump suddenly announced, on social media no less, that he was terminating all discussions with Canada over their digital services tax. He even said new tariffs on Canadian goods are coming next week. Still, markets brushed it off pretty quickly thanks to solid progress on the China side. Apparently, the US and China finalized a trade deal, including an agreement on rare earth deliveries. An expert from the Commerce Department said once those minerals start flowing, the US will roll back its countermeasures. We also heard from Treasury officials saying other trade talks could wrap up by Labor Day, so overall, some cautious optimism. Now, about the Fed. The latest inflation data showed prices picked up again in May, keeping inflation above that 2% mark. That could complicate things a bit. While the market hopes for a rate cut soon, experts are warning that persistent inflation could slow that down. So yeah, the hawks and doves at the Fed are clearly in for a heated summer. That's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'll be back Monday morning with a brand new episode. Don't forget to subscribe, rate the podcast, and share it with your network. Thanks for tuning in.